Hi friends, this is my task 1 as the Data Science and Business Analytics intern at the Spark Foundation. In this project, we are going to predict the score of the student based on the amount of study hours using linear regression algorithm for the classification purposes. Now, let me take you a walk through my code. I have imported the necessary libraries for this project. First of all, it is NumPy, numerical Python for numerical calculations. Next, it is Pandas for Python data analysis library. This is used for importing data from various file formats and can do manipulation operations with the data as well. Matplotlib and Seaborn are used for the visualization purposes. Okay, now I have imported the data and stored it in the df variable, and this is the data we have imported. It consists of 2 columns, hours and scores, and 25 rows. df.info helps to show the type of data we are having and also shows if there are any null values in the data. So in this there are no null values. df.describe helps to show our overall data in the glance, like we can see the minimum value, maximum value, 25th percentage, 50th percentage and 75th percentage as well, and the count of the data. Now I am plotting the graph for the hours and scores column. Here I am using histogram plot, which helps in plotting frequency of the intervals. Next is the bivariate analysis, using which we can plot using two features for the comparison purposes. This is the line graph between hours and score, and this is having a positive relationship, which means more the hours you study, the more the score you get, and that makes sense, right? And this is the scatter plot to see the data points more precisely. Here, this is the LM plot, using which we can draw a best fit line through the points, using which the linear regression also predicts the output. Now we are splitting the data to independent and the target variable for further splitting using train test split for the model building. Here we have splitted the data using the train test split. The model we have used here is the linear regression model, which is used if the target variable is of continuous type, and using dot fit we are training the data. Now we use the dot predict method for predicting the test data and storing it in the yPredict variable. We are creating a data frame for the actual and predicted values to compare both the values to see how our model has predicted. Comparing using plots makes our life much simpler. To check it visually, and it is done using KDE plot. It seems kind of accurate, and now let's check our scores, how it has been done. So it is 94% and 93%, so it is a good model. Now let us predict using a value and find out what is the score it. So if a student studies for 9.25 hours, it is estimated to get 93.89 score. This is my end of task 1, and thanks for watching.